Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Saje Diffuser not working. So, if you're interested, let's get started. Now, if you're having problems with your diffuser here, there are going to be a few things that you may want to try here. So, first things first, you want to check a few things. So, first is you want to check your water levels. Now, you want to ensure that your water level is just below the max fill line. So, too much water can stop it from, or in this case, misting properly. Next is you want to check for obstructions. Just make sure that the air intake isn't blocked, so this can cause overheating, and always use the diffuser on a flat, hard surface, not on a towel or a soft surface. Now, also you may want to check the power for it. So just make sure that the power adapter is properly plugged in and at both at the outlet and the diffuser. Now, in this case, you may want to try a different power source or see if this issue actually is from your outlet. Now, also, you may want to clean your diffuser. Now, use a soft cloth or Q-tip with rubbing alcohol to clean with the ultrasonic disc. So this is key for mist production. And also, fill the tank with a mix of white vinegar and water and let it sit for a few hours, then rinse thoroughly. And finally, you may want to start contacting support just in case nothing actually works here. Now, if this doesn't work after trying the fixes, reach out to CJ's customer service here. They may be able to give you some replacement here, especially if you just recently bought your device or your diffuser here. So contacting them is the best and final way to solve this issue. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.